Today's lesson is about adjectives in Russian language. Adjectives are very important grammar in Russian language. That's why pay good attention on this, and I hope it will be very helpful for you. There are three genders in adjectives. Adjectives are answered on these questions: какой, какая, какое, and какие. Какой, it means what kind of. They are changed the ends because of genders. Какой is masculine, какая is feminine, and какое is neutral. Какие is plural form. Adjectives, it depends from noun. If noun is masculine, we will use masculine adjectives. If noun is feminine, we'll use feminine adjectives. And also, adjectives are changed due to nouns. If nouns nominative, adjectives will be nominative. If nouns are genitive, adjectives are genitive. For example, here's the word new, nowy. Nowy, this is masculine. The end is "y". Every adjective which is ended with "y" is masculine adjective. For example, here's автобус, bus. Автобус is masculine, so we will use masculine adjective. Новый автобус, старый автобус. And words which are ended with aya or yaya is feminine, and we should use feminine adjectives. For example, machina, it is ended with a. We use novaya machina, staraya machina. And here is middle gender, neutral. Words which are ended with oye or yeye is neutral. For example, здание, здание, новое здание, старое здание. We use in end of adjectives oye. And it doesn't matter in plural form, it is feminine or masculine. We have the end for plural form in adjective. We put "ие". Новые автобусы, новые машины, новые здания. Adjectives, they have 3 degrees. For example, good, like хороший, better, лучше, the best, наилучший. And also there are rule in the end we put just "е". It will be like in English er. And we can use word самый. It will be like est in the English. Like the biggest is самый большой. And here easy, легкий, easier, легче, the easiest, самый легкий. For this second degree, we use just "е". For saying the most happy, like the happiest, самый счастливый. Like in English, we use most. In Russian, we use самый. Adjectives are changed the ends due to cases. For example, in nominative, we use какой, какая, какое, these questions, but in genitive, we use какого, какой, какого. The adjectives are changed because nouns are changed. For example, in nominative, the noun is kot. When it is kata, we should use chornava kata. Here in nominative is kot. Adjective is also nominative, chorny. But in genitive, noun has a in the end, like kata. Also, adjective we change it. We say chornava kata. There's also dative. Chornomu katu. As you see, due to cases also, the adjectives are changed ends. Let's to practice these adjectives. So here's word koshka. Koshka is feminine. We should use feminine adjective. Koshka, we say pushistaya koshka. It will be wrong if we say pushistый koshka. We should always look to our nouns. If noun is feminine, we should use feminine adjectives. Koshka, pushistая koshka. Sыр. Sыр is masculine because it is ended with consonant. We use вкусный сыр. Кастрюля. Кастрюля, it is feminine. We use зеленая кастрюля. Верблюд. Верблюд is masculine. We say выносливый верблюд. Игла. It is feminine. We say острая игла. Мороженое. It is ended with oye. It is neutral. We use холодное мороженое. Забор. It is masculine. We say деревянный забор. Звезда. А. Морская звезда. Стол. Обеденный стол. Дыня. Сладкая дыня. Солнце. Яркое солнце. Апельсин. Оранжевый апельсин. This was all about adjectives. If you want to learn more Russian, be sure that you are subscribed. See you on my next videos.